My name is Fulwider. I'm the regional crops educator for Dodge and Dane Counties with UW Extension. We're here today for the Soil Health Expo, which is the Dodge County Farmers Healthy Soils, Healthy Waters annual event. And we're going to have a couple different sessions hearing from David Brandt, as well as a farmer panel that I'm helping to moderate focused on farmer innovation. So we've got 4 farmers talking today, and they do a host of different practices, innovative practices that is. And we've got a person that does strip till, we've got some no-tillers, as well as people that plant green, people that also interseed cover crops into standing corn for the purposes of grazing, and also people that have implemented more grazing on their farm as well, moved towards more rotational grazing on pastures and also hay fields. So excited to hear from them kind of as they introduce their farms and talk about their thought processes behind why exactly they started to do these practices and how they've been working out on their farm and larger farming system. Yeah, I think in Dodge County, there's not many people that are grazing, and I think as people become more comfortable with cover crops, especially cover crops planted after wheat, or if you're interseeding, I think that opens up a huge opportunity to graze those cover crops, and also not, if you're trying to, fix some nitrogen with those cover crops for the corn the following summer, that you're not actually going to take a hit for that nitrogen credits is kind of what some of the research has shown, especially if you graze in the fall. So that's what I would like to see people is getting their animals out on that land. There's not a ton of grazing in Dodge County, so there's a lot of opportunity for that to spread out there as well. And I think people are really interested in planting green as well, and trying to figure out how does that work for their system. It works really well with soybeans, we know that. Getting it to work with corn, you get this huge mat of cereal rye that ties up some of that nitrogen as it's decaying, so that's a little bit more difficult with a nitrogen heavy crop like corn. So trying to dial that in, hearing from farmers that have gotten to work with their system, I think will be instructive for folks. UW Extension puts out research that has been done on farm, as well as research that's been done at our ag research stations like Arlington. So those you can find on the UW Extension website, the Crops and Soils website, and we're coming to a website near you on an on-farm research database that I'm really excited about. So stay tuned for more information on that.